Today is a very serious video. We're going to be dealing with security and security cameras. Do you suspect there is Joe Grind at your house? Do you suspect Joisha Grind is at your house? Do you suspect Jonathan is at your house? Do you know what? You get the picture.
Oi, where's that for? Some of them name me, I don't know any brother. Continue.
Hello folks, and welcome to another episode of Technicational. My name is Peyton Wilmot, and today on Brand New Everyday, we will be unboxing a security camera. Specifically, it's a home security camera that can give you 360-degree view of any room you put it in. So this security camera is the ezviz C6W, and big shout out to ezviz to sending this over for review. And this is just the unboxing. Stay tuned for the review. So we're going to get right into it, see what you get in the box, and see the build quality for this security camera. Okay, so before we actually get inside the box and see what you get, let's just take a look around the box, because there's some very interesting writings and stuff that it features, and it's right on the outside of the box. So it's telling you that it is able to swivel 360 degrees to give you a view of any situation, anywhere, in whichever room you put it in. Also, it's telling you that you have a 4-megapixel camera, it has auto tracking, zoom in, it has cloud storage, you can store locally with a SD card, and it also says, believe it or not, there's a privacy settings. Because if you're going to put this in your bedroom, you don't really want it to record everything. Everything must have a privacy setting. Also, on the box it says it has, I've never seen this feature on a security camera. I see not baby monitors, but not a security camera. It has a built-in mic and speaker. And you might ask, why a security camera want a mic and speaker? Probably a mic, but mic and speaker. And this is because you can actually hear what's going on in the room, and you can actually talk through the security camera as well. So you can hear and see what's happening remotely, and you can speak to whomever is in the room remotely as well. I see very, very interesting situations happening with this. Oi, Mr. Joe, sir, sir,
God?
do not drink my soursop juice.
But I'm thirsty.
If you come there for the work, you have to carry your own food and juice, brother.
Yeah, just take a sip. Just a cup, just a cup.
Don't make me come over there now. Yeah. Anyhow, let's open this box up and see what we get inside. And lo and behold, this is the C6W. Ooh, this looks very futuristic. Anyhow, moving a little bit deeper into the box, you will find booklets, lots of booklets. And this is a necessary evil, because when you're dealing with security and security cameras, you need clear-cut instructions on how to set these things up. And these manuals, whew, most of them are colored and they're very straightforward. No whole heap of wording for just explain simple stuff. Kudos, ezviz. So going deeper, there's a box inside the box, which is a box. So it's a box within a box. I think I get too much box. Anyway, in this box, there's a charging brick. I don't know the wattage on this because I think my eyesight is going. I need glasses because I can't read these fine ass writings. Anyhow, after that, in that box you will find screws, wall screws to obviously mount the C6W. And after that you will get the next booklet, which also comes with a sticker to line up the holes that you're going to drill to actually mount, if you want to mount, I should say, the C6W. And there is also a bracket, the mount bracket, that will actually hold up the C6W when you mount it on a wall or probably in the ceiling, whichever one you want to do. Digging a little bit deeper, you will find a USB cable long enough to lasso and catch any creatures out in the wild. I mean, this is the longest USB cable I have ever come across in a box. Anyhow, let's take a closer look at the C6W, and I really do like this design. It's a fully dome looking camera with a glossy top half that's black and the base is silver. I don't know, the two colors just really highlight it, make it look premium, so to speak. And now, looking at the back of the C6W, you have a couple of ports there. You have the USB port to actually power up the device, and you also get a LAN connection port, which you can use, but it also has Wi-Fi capabilities. You also have a storage option over to the right, where you can put in micro SD cards to store the videos locally. Now, this is an option because you can actually use cloud storage. Okay, so taking a closer look at the top of the C6W, you will find a speaker grill on the glossy top finish, and that's where you get the sound out of. Now, the thing about it is there is a mic on the lower part of the C6W as well. Also, on the base of the device, you have a reset button. Now, the whole top half of the C6W rotates, so you can't just go 360 in one direction continuously. Also, the camera inside can go up, and pan down as well. So you can actually see the floor and you can actually see the ceiling. So there you have it, folks, the full unboxing of the ezviz C6W. And if you're interested in this product and you want to actually purchase it before the full review, you can check it out on Amazon. The link is in the description. Anyway, folks, thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. And until next time, peace.
Snakes in the grass, you gotta watch where you step. Blood on the leaves, you either kill or be killed. When there's food on the table, you either eat or you starve. And when the sharks in the water, you either sink or you swim. It's a jungle out there. It's a jungle out there. It's a jungle out there.